Explore and laugh Lake Como in Italy with me. Lake Como shores have usually these brilliant green colors and shiny waters. But autumn comes and then winter. And then you have this kind of rainy days when you need just something warm and tasty at home. One of the most famous and tasty dish here in Italy for the autumn time, it's risotto with zucca, which means risotto with pumpkin. So now we're gonna prepare it together, and then you can try to do it at home maybe. It's quite easy, it's delicious, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. I bought here different kind of pumpkins, but for the risotto, I think I'm going to use this one because the taste and the quality is the best for risotto. For the beginning, we are going to clean and cut on little pieces the pumpkin. And now we're gonna prepare our vegetable broth that we're gonna need to cook the rice. So just put the vegetable cut on big pieces. Add some sea salt and leave cooking. You will need also a glass of good white wine. Okay, we're gonna use this kind of rice, Carnaroli. It's the perfect quality for all kind of risotto, not only the pumpkin one, because it tastes a little bit harder and we need to have it like this. Cut an onion. Take a pan and add a little olive oil, then fry slightly the half of the onion. Add the pumpkin pieces, some black pepper, and a little of boiling vegetable broth. Then close and let it cook. Now we are going to roast the rice separately in a clean pan until you smell toasted bread. Then remove it. We are taking the other half of the onion with some olive oil and then add the toasted rice. Gently mix until it gets really hot and then blend with the white wine. Add a ladle of vegetable broth at a time and remember that you are making a risotto, not a soup. Mix with the ready pumpkin and continue cooking until the rice is ready. Keep always the rule of al dente, never overcooked. When it is ready, turn off the heat and add a small piece of butter or vegetable substitute and leave to whisk, mixing slowly. A little freshly grated parmesan. Il nostro risotto alla zucca è pronto! Buon appetito!
Allora, assaggiamo
Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe so you can come with us on our next adventure. Bye guys, see you soon!